Did you? You didn't know, did you? It's the super weird ostrich one that Charlie used to pick to troll me. It's still part of that one. So I'll give you another pick or happily read you the ostrich poem. It's fate. We can't get away from it. 101 is banned from the chat. It is, yeah. It is. Hey, Woma. Did Charlie pay you a $5 under the table to redeem that poem? That's right, Chris. Thank you. That's right, that's right. Oh, no, 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 no. You were trying to redeem? This is what you wanted? Alright. Buckle up. It's still 100, 101, and 102 are all the this. Alright. Sit tight. Sit tight, everybody. Here comes the weird one. Here comes the weird one. Oops, excuse me. It's called He Digesteth Hard Iron. He digesteth hard iron, which tells you exactly what it's gonna be like. Yummy, delicious. That sucks, Duluth. I'm so sorry. So, vampire? Sandy, would you believe it's about ostriches? Although the Apiornis, or rock that lived in Madagascar, and the moa are extinct, the camel sparrow linked with them in size the large sparrow. Xenophon saw, walking by a stream, was and is a symbol of justice. The bird watches his chicks with a maternal concentration, and he's been mothering the eggs at night 6 weeks, his legs, their only weapon of defense. He is swifter than a horse. He has a foot hard as a hoof. The leopard is not more suspicious. How could he, prized for plumes and eggs and young, used even as a riding beast, respect men? Hiding actor-like in ostrich skins, with the right hand making the neck move as if alive. And from a bag the left hand strewing grain that ostriches might be decoyed and killed. Yes, this is he whose plume was anciently the plume of justice. He whose comic duckling head on its great neck revolves with compass needle nervousness when he stands guard. In S-like foragings, as he is preening the down on his leaden-skinned back. Oh, it's not over, Charlie. You wait. The egg piously shone, as Leda's very own, from which Castor and Pollux hatched, was an ostrich egg. And what could have been more fit for the Chinese lawn it grazed on as a gift to an emperor who admired strange birds, than this one who builds his mud-made nest in dust, yet will wade in lake or sea till only the head shows. 600 ostrich brains served at one banquet. The ostrich plume-tipped tent and desert spear jewel, gorgeous, ugly eggshell. Goblets, 8 pairs of ostriches in harness dramatize a meaning always missed by the externalist.